So this is an excellent exercise for core strengthening as well as coordination. So this is an excellent exercise to finish your workout with. We don't want to exhaust our core before we start doing any free weights. It's definitely an ending exercise. First off, this is called dead bug. There's many variations, but this is a very simple one. You're going to bring your hands and legs up to here, and then we're going to get us to touch your opposite hand and knee and lower the opposite arm and leg. This is a coordinated action, and it requires a lot of brain input as well as core. Bring your legs up again and cross over and do the other one. Perfect. A big thing, major key, is making sure that our low back is pressed against the table, so we're activating that core in order to control our limbs appropriately. Bring that one up, and that's excellent. And then we can move right into another exercise that's great and very supportive of the core, if that's not something you're comfortable with, is on all fours. You see how we have a little bit of a hollowing? We want to make sure we staple that belly button to our spine, and you can see how that flattens, really activates the core, and bring this arm up and this leg up. Good. And again, we'll recheck that core and bring that in, and you see how her back flattened out, and we'll switch opposite sides, this arm and this leg. And again, very challenging for coordination, but moreover strength, because that's her obvious weak side, and we'll bring that core up. And that's an excellent exercise. You want to hold each position just for about a second. You can relax.